At the GASPÉ, we're committed to build better furniture. While other companies focus on lowering their costs, either by producing abroad or cutting out on materials, we chose to design and to manufacture everything right here in Montreal. Every component, from hardware to the finishing product, has been carefully selected, having in mind that the lifespan of a furniture shouldn't be counted in years but much more in decades. This is also why we prefer solid wood, because it ages well, it can be refurbished and passed from generation to generation, but it's also much more interesting design-wise because we can cut into the material and create these beautiful forms and details. Since 2014, we've embraced a customizable made-to-order model, so you get exactly what you want and what you need, the right measurements and the right finishes. It may take a few weeks to receive your furniture, but it's definitely worth it.